Let's continue our reflection on how successful entrepreneurs try to meet real needs and see what further lessons we can learn and make good use of in our own activities. So far, like an entrepreneur, we've been trying to ask ourselves, how can we be sure that what we do meets a real need? And we have asked ourselves, whose needs are we trying to meet? Who's in our audience? An entrepreneur would go further. They would try to put a figure to the potential total number of people. This is an important consideration for two reasons. Firstly, will you have enough people? How many people do you need to break even and not go out of business? Consider a cafe. How many people need to come in and buy a cup of coffee each day just to cover the costs of running the cafe? How many more people need to come in to generate sufficient profit that the owner can live on? What's the minimum number of people you have to engage in order to be able to judge your own efforts as successful? Secondly, what's the potential maximum number of people you could reach? Some entrepreneurs ask themselves, how are they going to make things better for 1 billion people? This can be a scary idea at first. How could you possibly affect that many people? However, it's a very useful question, not because you're going to commit to reaching 1 billion people, but because the process of thinking about how to answer that question reveals other useful ideas. What makes things matter to a lot of people? What are our common shared needs? And what could be your role in creating economic or social value for people? These questions also help you to realise the diversity amongst your potential audience and to become more aware of how you could differentiate your services so as to better meet their individual needs. This is a good way of trying to find, create and explore a range of opportunities. You can clarify whether you're trying to reach everyone or concentrating on a segment of the overall bigger market. The way that entrepreneurs try to understand the number of people they can reach can help you to question how many people you want to engage with, help you to think about their needs, and think about whether you're able to satisfy those needs. The question to ask is, how many people are you reaching?